When I first saw this piece at the thrift store, I knew I was going to keep it. I had the perfect area for it in my entryway, and for 20 bucks, how could you go wrong? At first, I thought it was missing handles for the doors, but it is actually a locked cabinet that is just missing the key. So I'm going to see if I can find a key that will fit the lock. Because it's a locked cabinet, I believe it was originally a liquor or bar cabinet. It is only 15 inches deep at its widest point, so it's going to fit perfectly in my entryway. Let's get started. I really enjoy doing pieces for myself because I don't have to worry about what other people are going to think about it. The only person who has to like it is me. The old top coat was starting to yellow, so I wanted to go ahead and strip it all down to the bare wood to better show off the wood grain of the piece and to give it a little stain to better fit my own decor. This project isn't going to be a huge dramatic transformation, but I'm just going to make some subtle changes to help it fit in my decor just a little bit better. I used a specialty blade for my carbide scraper to get some of the curves on the front of the piece. Some of the finer grooves and details I ended up sanding by hand. I wanted some subtle gray undertones to the natural wood that would fit my own decor, so I ended up using this Varathane classic gray stain. I soaked all the hardware overnight in some white vinegar and then just used some superfine steel wool, and that got rid of all of the grime and tarnish. I ordered a box of random skeleton keys from Amazon, and luckily, one of them fit. Again, it's not a huge dramatic transformation, but just by getting rid of that thick yellowing top coat and adding a little gray stain, it fits my decor now perfectly. So let's take a look.